If you're about to teach coding for the first time, you've probably already discovered something. There are a lot of opinions about which programming language you should use. It can feel a bit much, right? I'd like to make that decision a little bit easier for you. Maybe you've searched for the best programming language to teach beginners. Perhaps you've looked at a few YouTube videos, you might have read some blog posts, or you might have even started a few online courses like this one. Someone recommended Scratch, someone else suggested Python, then you discovered MakeCode. Before long, you weren't any closer to making a decision. Some programming languages are free, some need subscriptions, some require logins, some work beautifully on school devices, and some really just don't. Choosing a programming language starts to feel like a much bigger decision than it really is. The truth is, there isn't a perfect programming language. Every one of them has its strengths and weaknesses, and each one has their own set of fans that will tell you that they have picked the best one. And that's okay, right? It's normal to have a favourite programming language, and you will probably get one too. You don't need to make a perfect choice. You just need to make a good one. Once you've made that choice, stick with it for a little while. Give yourself the time and space to become comfortable with it. Because right now, the most important thing isn't finding the best programming language. It's becoming the best programming teacher that you can be. I'm filming this episode here at Himley Hall in Dudley. This building behind me has a very special place in my own teaching journey. For years, it was where computing teachers from across Dudley came together for professional development, sharing ideas, solving problems together, and learning from one another. I love that, because one of the biggest mistakes you can make as a new programming teacher is thinking that you have to figure it out all on your own. You don't. Find your community. Join Facebook groups, go to conferences, talk to other teachers in your school. And if you'd like to learn alongside us, we run free monthly online meetups and have a Discord community where educators share ideas, ask questions, and support one another. Teaching programming becomes so much easier when you realise you're part of a community rather than trying to figure it all out by yourself. For this course, I've helped you out and chosen a language for you. We're going to be using Flock XR. Not because it's the only good programming language out there, and I am one of those fans I talked about earlier, so of course I will say I think it might be. We're going to use it because I want to remove as many barriers as possible while you're learning to teach programming. It's free, it's open source, it works straight from your browser, there are no logins, no subscriptions, and it just helps you get started really, really quickly. So you can focus on what really matters, teaching programming well. Throughout this course, we'll stick with Flock XR to give you time to really explore how programming works. From time to time, I'll compare what we're doing with other programming languages, such as Scratch and Python, because many of the concepts are exactly the same. If statements are if statements, loops are loops, and variables are variables. Don't worry if you have no clue what I just said. The programming language might change, but the way we teach programming doesn't really change. So for now, let's just keep things simple. Let's stop worrying about which programming language to use and start learning how to teach programming. Because choosing a programming language is only the beginning. Knowing where to start is just as important. And that's where we'll begin next time. Remember to like and subscribe to help you continue your journey. Bye-bye for now.